Before generating the digital orthophoto map and the digital surface model, it is necessary to perform block adjustment on the panchromatic imagery. This requires using a GeoWay ImagePro to create a block adjustment project. Load the original panchromatic images. Load the reference orthophotos. Load the reference terrain data. Open the Build Stereo Model function to automatically construct stereo models based on the loaded panchromatic images. Switch to the Block Bundle Adjustment Settings interface. Choose the Point Matching Processing step, configure matching parameters, and conduct matching processing for tie points and control points. After matching is completed, the software automatically incorporates tie points and control points. Click the Activate button to switch to the interactive editing interface. You can double-click on any tie point or control point to view and browse their positions. Set adjustment parameters and gradually perform adjustment calculations. Once the adjustment results meet the requirements, update the RPC files of the panchromatic images for subsequent DSM production. Before producing the digital orthophoto map, it's necessary to process the multispectral imagery. Use ImagePro to create a fusion model adjustment project. Load the original multispectral images. Corresponding panchromatic images. And reference terrain data. Enter the Build Fusion Model interface to automatically construct fusion models based on the loaded panchromatic and multispectral images. Switch to the Single Bundle Adjustment Settings interface. Choose the Control Point Matching step and configure matching parameters. After matching is complete, the software automatically adds registration points. Click the Activate button to switch to the interactive editing interface. Open Auto Block Adjustment function. After configuring adjustment parameters, you can manually perform interactive adjustment calculations. Click the model list to select any model and view the distribution of matching points in the current model. In the Pass Point list, double-click on any point to view its position. Once the adjustment results meet the requirements, update the RPC files of the multispectral imagery for subsequent DOM production. For DSM production, it's essential to create a new project in ImagePro. Select the Set Single Image function. Load the adjusted panchromatic images and set the original and target projections. Choose Stereo Model and right-click to select Create Stereo Model. to automatically construct stereo models based on the loaded panchromatic images. Select all created stereo models and generate standard map extents. Then we choose a production workflow of digital surface model. Switch to input data to configure input data for stereo model and map extent. Configure parameters for DSM production in the parameter settings. After setting is complete, proceed with automated DSM production. Let's take a look at the results of DSM automated production. For digital orthophoto map production, it's necessary to create a new project in ImagePro. Select the Set Single Image function. Load the V-adjusted panchromatic and multispectral images. And set the projection accordingly. Load the reference terrain data and set the projection. Select Create Set Register Model to automatically construct fusion models based on the loaded panchromatic and multispectral images. Select all loaded images and generate standard map extents. Select Dodging Template and right-click to choose Load Dodging Template. To select an image with good color balance as the dodging template. Then we choose a production workflow of digital orthophoto map. Set input data for register model, terrain data, map extent, and dodging template. Configure parameters for digital orthophoto map production in the parameter settings. After setting is complete, proceed with automated digital orthophoto map production. Let's take a look at the results of digital orthophoto map automated production.